In this video, I'm gonna talk about how to fix Roblox has encountered an unexpected error. Roblox is not installing error code that is happening for many users and how we can fix it. So let's get started. So first of all, what we need to do is we have to go over here in the search. Now we need to type here for the run command and you have to press enter. Now we need to type %local app data % and just press enter. Now from here, what we need to do is we have to scroll it down all the way down and navigate to the Roblox. Now we have to get into the Roblox here. Now get into the Roblox. Now from here, what we need to do is we have to get into the folder called versions. Now we can see we have various folders with versions with a numerical value. So what we need to do is we have to get into this. Now from here, we'll be able to find Roblox player beta. So what we need to do is we have to right click. And you have to go to not here, you should not be doing anything, just go over here. And at the top you can see we have an address bar. Just go over here and copy this address. Okay, copy the address. For here I have done for one folder. Similarly I'm having 3, so I have to do it for each one by one like this. Copy the address value. After copying the address value, we have to go over here, search here for window security. Just click on the window security here. Now from here, once you get into the Windows security, just wait. We have to click on app and browse control. Now from here, what you need to do is we have to click on exploit protection setting. Now from here, what you need to do is we have to click on program settings over here. Now from here, what you need to do is we have to click on add program. Just go for choose exile file path over here. Sorry, not this one. Click on add program. Just click on the plus icon. Go to add a program over here. So we have to add a program. So what you need to do is we just need to wait over here. So if that's not the case, just go to the system over here. Okay, I have to change this to on by default. Go for yes. Okay, now click on this one, choose exile file path. So what happened? Okay, the reason why it was not there, I turned it off. Now go to the program setting. For the users who are watching this, get into the program setting, click on a plus icon, go to choose exile file path. Now we have to copy and paste the path and just press enter. That's going to take you the same place where we have copied the path. Now from here you have to select for Roblox player beta. Now from here we have to go for open. Now you'll be getting these options. Keep scrolling down and make sure the first one, control flow guard, make sure that you put a check on this and you should be turning this off. Similarly, you have to scroll it down and navigate to hardware reinforced stack protection. Make sure that you put a check on this and you have to uncheck this. Once you're done with this one, we have to go for apply. And after the apply is done, we have to close it and we have to do a restart and we have to try launch the game and we have to check. And this is what we have to do, and I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.